Hello and welcome back to the Landy Rover, where we have now finished restoring this 1960 Series 2 Land Rover, and she's actually running very well. She's been on the road for 6 months now, and we've had 4 breakdowns, 3 tow trucks, and run out of fuel twice as well, just because the fuel gauge is not too good. We resolved those issues though. She's now done just over 2,000 kilometers and she is not missing a beat. She's doing an absolutely outstanding job, which is pretty impressive considering I built the thing. But anyway, now that she's running, what do we do next? I think, do I get another car and do that up, which I think was the plan not long ago. But I think this is hit now at the time of a midlife crisis, or number 3, perhaps number 2, don't know. And I'm thinking we need to do something pretty radical in her. She was built to drive. She was built to roam the land. She was in the Vietnam War, so she's seen things that I couldn't even imagine. So I think we need to do something radical. We are going to drive this old 1960 Series 2 Land Rover from Brisbane, Australia to Birmingham, the UK. We've even got a sign on the back, so we have to do it now. In particular, we are going to take this old girl back to Solihull, back to the Land Rover factory where she was born 67 years ago when we leave. I want to take this old car back to the factory, walk into the reception and try a warranty claim, because there's still oil leaking from this engine and the gearbox after all these years. So that is the ultimate goal. We're going to go and make a warranty claim on this old car in Birmingham. Now when I say we, it's obviously not just me. We have Lucy behind the camera. Say hello, Lucy.
Hello.
And Lucy is audio, video, social media, website, bureaucracy taming, paperwork organisation, health and safety, everything else. We also have Peanut. Peanut will be coming with us. Very low maintenance cat, just no sharp objects for Peanut. And we have a countdown. We are going to be leaving Brisbane, Australia for the UK in 260 days' time. So a few things to do. It seems a long time, but we've got to make the car ready. The roof leaks a bit. The doors definitely do leak. The floor's leaking in some areas. Steering alignment, yeah, we've got to fix that up a bit. But we've got a lot to do before we can leave. We've also got to make it tropical ready. It gets pretty hot in here, so we've got to fix that out. And we've got to amass spare parts and everything else as well. So if you've got any suggestions of how we can make a 67-year-old car, or 66, 67 next year, ready for a transcontinental road trip, pop them in the suggestions below, because we've got to work that one out. We've also got to plan the route as well. Which way do we go? I know we've got to go to Darwin and into Indonesia, but after that, don't know. Any suggestions, pop them in the comments below, and we'll be responding to those. So we've got a few more videos coming. Obviously we're planning the route, we're getting the car ready, we're getting spare parts and all the logistics and everything else. So if you want to follow us as we start planning the Brisbane to Birmingham road trip, hit like, hit subscribe, hit notify and everything else like that, and you'll be notified when we get the videos up there. Lots to do, lots of planning to do, but thank you very much for watching, and let the planning begin, and the countdown is ticking.